Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari browser if it's stopped working after or before iOS update on iPhone and iPad, iPod Touch in iOS 14.7, iOS 15 beta. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. We start from basic. The first and basic method is reset network settings. First launch settings, then tap general and tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. After that, we go for solution number 2. First launch settings, then find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, tap clear history and website data. And a window will appear and we have to tap on clear history and data again to confirm this action. After that, we go for solution number 3. Go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if any update available for your iPhone. If none of these is working, then we go for solution number 4. Go to settings, tap general, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings in a pop-up window to confirm your action. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.